First thing you have to do is weld up the seam and then cover it with fiberglass type resin. Next, you lock everything down, and then you notice we don't like that hole. So let's weld in a washer to make the holes all symmetrical. Now let's flatten those down. Let's free prime. And now we got to prime again and block. We get through blocking and we know we have got to prime one more time. Then we seal and we start our color. Paint job looks good until you're up close. Then we got a wet sand, buff, and we've got to now figure out how we're going to attach this to the body, make a clean seam. So we find GM welting. We attach it, everything matches up really good. Color matches outstanding.